In the last hour, investigators detailed the violent crash involving a single vehicle. This happened off West Little York, just north of Fairbanks, North Houston. The road is shut down at this hour. Orko Manna is live there now. Orko, what are investigators saying?
Well, Cheryl, this is just a terrible tragedy. The Harris County Sheriff's Office says that this was a single vehicle crash. All three people inside the car, including a young child, were taken to the hospital, but unfortunately that child has died. The car involved in the crash has been towed away, and you can see out here on West Little York Road that traffic is now moving. It just reopened to traffic a few minutes ago, and Harris County Sheriff's deputies just left the scene here. But you can see all of these cones and barrels out here. That's because this all unfolded in a construction zone. Now, investigators say that around 6:30 tonight, the car was heading east on West Little York Road when it somehow entered into the construction zone and rolled over. When the car was still out here, we saw that car upside down. Now, the two passengers in the car, a man and a young child, were ejected, and we're told multiple other drivers in the area called 911 after the crash. As I mentioned, all three people in the car were taken to the hospital. The woman who was driving the car is in stable condition, while the man is in critical condition, and again, the young child lost their life. Right now, it's still unclear what caused the crash.
It's a construction zone. And if you look at the sign over here, it just recently changed the traffic pattern. That may have caused a confusion. Again, this is all preliminary under investigation. We still need to download the vehicle. The driver is still getting checked for any signs of intoxication, and a statement from the driver to see what she remembers and what she knows.
Investigators say they're looking for any surveillance cameras in the area to get a better idea of what happened. It's unclear if seatbelts were worn by the people in the car, and we don't know at this time how the three of them are related. And you can tell that back out here live, it's pretty dark out here. The sheriff's office says that they're going to be trying to talk to who's in charge of the construction site here to see if there can be any improvements to lighting or signage to this area. Reporting live from Northwest Harris County tonight, Orko Manna, KHOU 11 News.